If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be served like California. You see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You'll catch them surfing at Del Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Canada, Australia's Caribbean, all over Manhattan, and down the Meany Way. Everybody's gone surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. Anchor Keys and Point, Pacific Palisades, San Onofre and Sun, Redondo Beach and LA, all over La Jolla and Waimea Bay. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone
Bueno, seguimos pendientes de Anxo porque Anxo no la ten preparado y ben preparada. ¿Qué va? No, a ver, tampoco hay que repetir. Atención a Anxo que tiene peligro.